welcome back to Chic Blends. My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Qui.
So today we are going to be doing a review of the Rouge Couture Dior lipstick refill set.
And we're also going to be talking about luxury makeup in general. We all know that luxury makeup costs a pretty penny, but is it worth it?
Is it worth it, girl?
Is it worth it?
So I have the boxes here, and it comes in just a white and black box, and she got this from Saks Fifth Avenue.
I don't think you could purchase it at Saks Fifth Avenue anymore. They do specifically have the colors, but if you want to actually get the entire kit, which is this nice kit, you will have to get it from Dior.com.
Okay. And we both have the same lipstick kit.
Exact same lipstick kit.
So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. So it comes in the signature black and white Saks Fifth Avenue box. And I'm just going to hold this up for you guys so you can see it.
Oh, perfect.
And it has the white tissue paper with the Saks Fifth Avenue sticker on it.
Sorry guys, our dog is outside being bad.
Okay. And it has like the little Dior box that it comes in. And this is the boxing of the Dior lipstick kit.
They did really good on this packaging too. I will say that the packaging on this Dior lipstick kit is
amazing.
So pretty.
So nice.
And this is it. And then we'll show you guys a close-up of actually what it looks like on the inside. So let's crack that open. And we'll cover up the mirror because it does have a mirror in here. And it comes like that. And we'll show you guys a close-up. Okay, so it comes with 6 different lipsticks, and what I really like about this is that the lipsticks are actually refillable. This is like the main lipstick, or the main lipstick holder, and then you get another lipstick, and as you see it's super small, and these are perfect if you want to fit them inside of your bag. So what you're going to do is you'll take this off, and if you want to switch out the color, you'll just pop off the top like so, and then you'll just interchange them like that.
I love that you can just switch all of them around
into place. Yeah, that's super, super, super cute. So yeah, that's basically how you do that.
So we're going to do the swatches for you guys real quick. So the first swatch we have is the Precious Rocks. The second one is 772, the Classic Matte. The third one is 976, Daisy Plum. The fourth one is 414, Saint Germain. The fifth is 810, Distinct Matte. And the sixth one is 897, Mysterious Matte.
So what's your favorite color?
So out of all the colors, I really love the Precious Rocks, and that's actually what I'm wearing right now. It's the satin finish. It just is non-drying. It just feels so good. I like it. It doesn't streak. It's not drying. So
and it's supposed to last for 16 hours, guys. My favorite has to be the Classic Matte. That's actually what I'm wearing right now. It's just like a really pretty like mauve color, and that's typically what I'll usually wear. And then, you know what? I also really, really, really like the color Mysterious Matte because it really, really does remind me of one of the MAC lipsticks that we wear often.
The Flat Out Fabulous.
Flat Out Fabulous. Yes. So yeah. These are these little babies here. I do think this is worth the $160, but not because of the lipstick, more so because of the packaging. Right. Again, the packaging is uber important, and this is just really cute. It has a signature Dior on here, and you can use this as a handbag. Right. So with that being said, let's show them what can fit inside of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it, girl.
So look, this is what we're gonna do. You know what? Hold on, we're just gonna show you up close and personal how this works, okay? So this is what it's going to look like on the outside. We're just gonna show you it fits. This is the inserts, and we just pull the insert right on out. You want to unzip it like so. There is a mirror in here, which I think is perfect for like going to like clubs, or if you're going to a wedding or something like that. I think it's super perfect. So I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, and in here I have like maybe 16 cards and 3 sticks of gum. So we'll set that there. I do have the lipstick that I really like, and this is like the taupey color, and it is in the classic matte 772. I have my car key and my house key. A little perfume. This is the Chloe perfume. And then last but not least, I have my phone. And I have the Note 8, and it fits perfectly in here. So as you see, that is what the inside looks like. It's just really good. So would you say that $160 is a good price for this pouch?
I definitely feel like $160 is a great price, because for one, you get the pouch itself, you get the lipsticks, and out of the 6 lipsticks, I really love 5 of them. So 5 out of 6 is really good.
It is.
Very good.
So now the next question, would you purchase the colors separately if it did not come in this amazing set?
You know what? The one that I would probably purchase would be the Precious Rocks. And that's because I wear red all the time. But I know individually they retail for like $37.
$37.
Yeah, so that's like $222 compared to this $160 if you were to buy 6 individuals.
Yeah. See me? I'm not going to buy them individual. I'm going to stick to my MAC taupe and my other MAC color, Flat Out Fabulous. They come out with something else similar to this where I can use this as a clutch, or even use this as a makeup bag inside of my purse. I think it would be so dope for that as well.
Right.
I'm going to buy it again.
I feel you.
For $160.
It's awesome, and it's just so cute. It goes with so much. The actual clutch does.
It does.
If you can turn it into a clutch.
Yes,
so.
I've been wearing this in the summer non-stop. Every time I have on like a dress, or we're going out to dinner, the movies, I just put everything in here and I'm on my way. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram. We're not very active on there, but we plan on being super active on there, doing giveaways, all that good stuff. So make sure you follow us on our Instagram at chiqblend.
All right, you guys, don't forget to stay chic.